Hello everyone, welcome to Ctclockwises channel. Today I'm doing a Scribble challenge, but it's not a usual challenge because the Scribble is actually drawn by my dear brother Aitun. You can see his video of Scribble challenge that I sent to him in the description below and the YouTube card above. In this video, I will tell you my thought process and tips while I do digital art. So I hope that you will get another artist's perspective and will be able to adapt the tips for your drawing. So according to the Scribble that he sent me, the first picture that came into my mind was actually Sailor Moon transformation scene, but I think that might not be so creative, so I kind of randomly think of something else, and then I saw bird wing. So I think of one manga that I used to read. It's called Blackbird. It's a romantic fantasy manga in which a high school girl who can see Damon has to become Damon's wife. It sounds cliche, but it's not a typical shoujo manga though, and I would highly recommend it if you're okay with a bit of naughty scenes. After I thought of a theme, I then start drawing and create a challenging topic in my mind. I want to be able to improve on how I paint her eyes, lashes, and eyebrows, which are my weak spot in digital art. So I swapped to Jundi's tutorial a lot while I made this piece. Her tutorial can be seen on the YouTube card above. Then I also need to make the feather looks roughly real as I will blur it later, so I used lots of references. And guys, please remember to use a lot of references while drawing. It will improve your art so much. Overall, not only that this picture color and position are challenging, but the digital art itself also slowly kills me. I didn't know why I had to do this to myself, but I hope that I will be able to improve through time. By the way, Aitun channel has lots of incredible digital art tutorials, so don't forget to check that out. That's it for today. Comment below if you see something else from the Scribble. And as usual, you can find me on Instagram and Facebook under the name Ctclockwises. If you like this video and some tutorials in my channel, please don't forget to click the bell and press like subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate you guys, and I will catch you next time. Bye!